Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting session with English Ladder. I'm pretty sure we have been mispronouncing certain words since childhood, but it's high time we pronounce those words correctly, right? So I have a list of 10 words with me. So the first one is Wednesday. That's a midday of the week, and I'm sure you would know it, but you pronounce the word as Wednesday, then it's wrong, okay? It is Wednesday, okay? So let's move on to the second word. It's my favorite ice cream flavor, and it's vanilla. But I'm sure you would be asking for a flavor in the ice cream shop as vanilla, but then that's wrong. You always ask the flavor as vanilla. Okay, so don't mispronounce the word hereafter. And the next word is the most trending word now, which is petrol. I'm sure you would be noticing how the price hikes, right? So that is the word petrol, and it's not petrol. Okay, so the O is short over there. It's petrol. Okay, now the fourth word is queen. I'm sure you would have noticed my lip movement. It's not queen. Okay, it is queen. It's qua. Okay, queen. So pronounce that word correctly hereafter. Let's move on to the next word. The next word is sword. I'm sure you would have seen that in the hands of kings for sure. So that is not sword. Their W is silent. So it's pronounced as sword. Okay. And let's move on to the sixth word, which is sponge. I'm sure you would use this for cleaning the surfaces, right? It's not sponge, it's sponge. Here also the O is very short, it's not long, it's sponge. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. So let's move on to the next word, which is drawer. So it's just a piece of furniture which can be pulled out or pushed in, and you can store something inside. But we usually say it as drawer, which is wrong. There is nothing like that. It is drawer. Okay, so don't forget. Let's move on to the next word. It's berry. You would have thought about eating berries, right? So you are not supposed to eat this berry. Okay, this is not that berry. This is, you are burying a dead body into the ground. So that process is called bury and not bury, though the spelling is B-U-R-Y. Okay, and the last and final word is film. I'm sure everybody would be eagerly waiting to go to the theaters to watch films. So we usually pronounce this word as film, but it's not film. There is no E sound at the end. It's just film. So that's all, guys. I've given you 10 words for you to remember and pronounce correctly. Pronunciation of the words is the key factor to improve your language. So hereafter, don't mispronounce these words. And I'll be back soon with another set of words for you to pronounce correctly. Until then, it's bye from Vineetha.